here on Maroon, Meandarra.
Awesome. How long have you been using Terra?
I've been using it for 3 years. I've used conventional laser guided before, but this was the first time I've used something like Terra.
In this field that you're currently working in, how many hectares is it here?
This is 500 hectares. So there would have been, I'd be estimating about 100 hectares of really bad melon holes. That was one of the large patches that we're heading to. And they're all filled in now. This is ready for basically a final brush. So the field to the north of us, field 2, that was a 750 hectare field that was the first field that we attacked, and it was basically split into nearly 3 sections with gullies and washouts, and you couldn't farm from end to end. You had to do it in pretty well sections. So that's all flat now. It's, it also gives you the flexibility of when you are planting. If you get to know the field, so that if we get rain, we know that we can hop in and do a field that we've levelled, because it's drained properly and it hasn't got holes for the water. So you actually you can plant in planting it fairly easy and harvest. So yeah, no, it's good. It's it's a bit of a chore doing it, but in the long run, the benefits far outweigh the cost.
I'm glad to hear that. That's our goal at Terra. It definitely is. That's what we love to hear.
It is very good having variable grade, being able to do all sorts of things with it. It's made our life a whole lot easier. It's a game changer.
Yeah.
And I was saying, that because this country, trees on it and whatever, and it's $600-800 a hectare country or whatever back when.
Yeah, exactly.
When
so
Lachlan
now,
got it to now.
Yeah.
Well and truly pays for itself.
Yeah. Lachlan Hill. Property's Maroon, Meandarra, Queensland, Australia, which is approximately 400 kilometres west of Brisbane. We are farming 8,000 hectares.
Did you start out with 8,000?
No, we started out with 2,000, and we've acquired a few extra properties along the way.
Okay. All right. So what are your major crops here?
Our major cropping is winter cereals, wheat, barley, with a smaller percentage of chickpeas as a rotation. Mm-hmm. Then in the summer we grow, our summer cropping is sorghum or milo in America, and sometimes mung beans.
Very good. Okay, so you own Terra Cutta, and I was in the cab with Stuart earlier, doing some dirt moving there, and he explained that you've done quite a few projects.
Yep.
Tell me, maybe you could start with the first project that you used Terra for on the farm.
Yeah, the first project we did was a paddock that we'd just purchased, and we took it from basically raw timber, cleared the timber off, cultivated the paddock, and then we put the bucket in with Terra on it to bring it into farming.
Awesome. So we would call that reclamation work, really. And that would where you just take ground that hasn't been farmed before and make it farmable.
Correct. That's it.
So you did that, and you did the finishing work and the projects with Terra.
We did it right through to when we could crop it.
Oh, awesome. Okay. So that brought in how much acreage for you doing that?
That field was, we worked with Terra on 200 hectares, 500 acres. The field was 500 hectares. Mm-hmm. And that's the field you went into today with Stuart.
That was the same field.
Yep.
It had previously a lot of what we would consider potholes in it. How would you describe those?
In Australia, they're defined as melon holes in the north of the country, or gill guys.
Mm-hmm. I've heard both of those terms. Yeah. We actually have a tool called the Gill Guy Buster.
Correct.
Yes.
That's what it was designed for.
Okay. What has been the most gains you've seen as far as using Terra on the fields?
I don't know that there's a single gain in it. It's the whole package. It's ease of management, looking after the equipment, wear and tear on your equipment, and uniformity of cropping.
So there was more wear and tear because of those melon holes.
And they fill up with water, and we get a lot of maintenance issues.
Right.
Management, so we can get on the field more timely. Mm-hmm. We get better weed management because it has not half water or waterlogged and then dry. Mm-hmm. So it's just a whole package from one end to the other is a benefit of levelling the fields with the terracotta,
Right.
And getting drainage and etc.
Mm-hmm. So it adds value to your property as well?
Definitely. Big capital gain value in the property.
So you think you've made your money back from buying the software?
The software's the cheap part. It's the endless hours of diesel burning and tractor hours.
Yes, especially with how large a project you have. And we started a new project today, too, on a field. Mm-hmm. And it's like 490 hectares, I think. Yeah. And that one is the same, filling the melon holes.
Yep.
And making it to grade.
That's right.
And do you irrigate here?
No, it's all dry land.
Okay. So you're relying on Mother Nature to bring in the water.
So we're doing a multi-grade design. We're not trying to get drainage in one direction. We're just trying to get drainage off the field. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yes, that makes sense. So you can drain in several directions off the field.
In any direction.
Okay.
It's just about getting the water off the field so we can manage it, so we get timely planting and harvesting and spraying. Mm-hmm.
And then you have that uniform planting and spraying. And we're going to be going up here in a minute to do a little spraying.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell me about that. What am I about to experience?
In the aircraft?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, we're going to go and spray one of the fields, and you'll be able to see as we go over it, sections that we've finished levelling with terracotta and areas in that field that aren't finished yet. So
okay.
You'll be able to see the water and the areas that we couldn't plant because it was too wet. Mm. And hopefully then you'll appreciate what we're trying to achieve.
Yes, I think I will. So. And as I said earlier, I trust you.
You're mad.
Yes, sometimes I've been told that too.
We'll be doing the reverse video when we land.
Okay.
And asking about your experience.
Okay. Well, that's great. Well, we do appreciate you very much for using Terra and trusting our software with your farming operation. And just wanted you to know that.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
It's working well.
Awesome. Thank you.